Hello kids, welcome back. So now as you can see on your screen, there is a delicious cake. So this delicious cake is here with us today because it's ma'am's birthday today. Yes, it is ma'am's birthday today. So ma'am has decided to celebrate her birthday with you all. So that's why she has ordered this very delicious cake. But guess what? This cake was very expensive. Why? Because as you can see this cake is layered. This cake has different layers. है ना? This is not a single cake. This cake is made up of 6 different layers. See? You can see 6 different layers here. है ना? You can see 6 different layers here. So this cake cost me a huge amount. So today we will start our class with counting what will be the price ma'am has to pay to the bakery for this cake. So आज की क्लास हम कैसे शुरू करेंगे? आज हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे मैम को कितना पैसा बेकरी को देना पड़ा. तो आपको इस केक पे क्या दिख रहा है? तो देखो ये केक मैम को इतना महंगा क्यों पड़ा? क्योंकि इस पे 6 डिफरेंट लेयर्स हैं एंड 6 डिफरेंट लेयर्स के साथ 6 कैंडी एट द टॉप ऑल्सो, है ना. देयर आर 6 कैंडी एंड 6 डिफरेंट लेयर. तो बेकर ने मुझसे बोला कि मैडम यू हैव टू पे द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ द केक, लेयर्ड केक प्लस द कैंडी. सो हाउ मेनी कैंडीज आर हियर? हाउ मेनी कैंडीज आर हियर ऑन द केक? केक पे कितनी कैंडी है? टेल मी, कैंडी कितनी है? 6 कैंडीज. एंड कितने केक है? टेल मी, कितने केक है हमारे पास? केक कितने हैं मैम के पास? 6 डिफरेंट लेयर ऑफ केक्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर, है ना. तो केक भी कितने हैं मैम के पास? 6 हैं. तो आज हमें क्या करना है? इनका टोटल अमाउंट निकालना है. Okay, so today we will find out the cost of this whole cake and then we will move ahead with our lesson. Okay? So class, let us start with this cake thing. So what we have to do first, we have to find out the cost of this whole cake. Okay, so as I have told you that this cake is made up of candy and cake. There were 6 different color candy on that and then 6 different layers of cakes. Okay, so let us find out. So before finding out, let me erase the board. Okay, so now what we have to do? First we have to find the cost of one cake. So now cost of one cake equals to 30 rupees. And how many layers of cakes were there? 6. So now cost of 6 cakes equals to 6 cake will cost ma'am? Yes, 30 into 6. How much it will cost together? 30 into 6 equals to 30 into 6 will this cost me how much? This will cost me 180 rupees. This will cost me 180 rupees. Now, how many candies were there? 6 candy. So again we have to find the cost of one candy equals to one candy cost me rupees 4.5. So cost of 6 candy candies, cost of 6 candies will be rupees 4.5 multiply with 6. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Multiply it and tell me the answer. देखो अगेन इधर मैम ने क्या किया, 1 का कॉस्ट आपने आपको बता दिया एंड यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 केक. सिमिलरली मैम ने आपको 1 कैंडी का कॉस्ट बता दिया एंड यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू फाइंड आउट कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 कैंडीज. 6 कैंडी का कॉस्ट आपको कैलकुलेट करने को बोला गया. कम ऑन डू इट. फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 कैंडीज. Okay, come on. Find out. Start from rightmost side. Start from here. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Write 3 there. Okay? And move ahead with the... So yes, move ahead. 6 5s are 30. And then move ahead. Now here we are having 6 4s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and similarly 6 4s are 6 4s are will cost us 24. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 will cost us 24 plus 3 cost us 27. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, here we have what we have done here. इधर हमने सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर लिया है ना. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर लिया. अब हमें क्या करना है, ओके. तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 6 कैंडीज इज 27 रुपीज. वी हैव गॉट 27 रुपीज. 6 कैंडी का कॉस्ट हमारे पास कितना आया, 27 रुपीज. नाउ यू ऑल माइट बी वंडरिंग कि हाउ मैम, बेटा बिकॉज इट वॉज 4 रुपीज 50 पैसे. 4 रुपीज 50 पैसे. तो हमने क्या किया, 2 प्लेस पे 0 लगा दिया. ओके. So the cost of cake is 180 rupees and the cost of 6 candies are 27 rupees. Now what we have to do, we have to add them both. We have to add them both, है ना. हमें क्या करना है, दोनों को we have to add. Let us add them. Okay. Now let us add. So rupees 180 plus rupees 27. चलो come on, add them. 7 plus 0 will cost us 7. 8 plus 2 10. 1 1 2. So our cost will be 207 rupees. So the cost of whole cake was 207 rupees. Cost of whole cake was rupees 207. Okay, this was the cost of our whole cake. पूरे केक का कॉस्ट कितना आया, इतना आया. Okay, now let us move ahead. So kids, in our last class we have done, see, we have revised from starting. That is, हमने conversion कर लिया, हमने addition, multiplication, minus, we have done all these things. So today we will do exercise 7.6, question number 12. Today we will do question number 12. Okay. So we will start with question number 12 of exercise 7.6. So in exercise 7.6, question number 12 is, using the following price, solve the question number 12 to 14. So see in your book, question number 12 to 14 are based on, question number 12 to 14 are based on a prices picture that has been given there in the box, like doll, water bottle, हॉकी स्टिक, क्रिकेट बैट, बुक, ये सारे दिए हैं और उनके साथ उनकी कॉस्ट दी हुई है ना. What you have to do, you have to you have to do? You have to calculate the price. So in question number 12, question number 12, first question, find the total cost of. So total is there, so we have to add. Find the total cost of. Find the total cost of a water bottle, a ball and a clip. A water bottle, a ball and a clip. Let us do. So we have to find the total cost of. We have to find the total cost of a water bottle, a clip, a water bottle, a clip and a ball. Okay, and a ball. So we have to find the cost of water bottle, clip and ball. So how we will do this? We will write cost of. We will make a statement with the help of cost of water bottle, cost of water bottle equals to cost of clip equals to and cost of a ball equals to cost of ball equals to. ठीक है, so let us write the cost of each of the following. Okay, so the cost of water bottle is 11 rupees 40 paise. Cost of water bottle is 11 rupees and 40 paise. So 11 rupees 40 paise. Now the cost of ball. Now the next is we have to write the cost of ball or cost of clip also. Cost of clip is 50 paisa only. 0 rupees and 50 paisa. Next is cost of ball. So cost of ball is 7 rupees and 25 paise. Now these are the cost of the different item. यहाँ पे तो different item के cost दे दिए. Next statement that we will write will be of total cost because we have to find the total cost. So the next statement will be total cost. Next statement will be total cost. Okay. So what we have to do? We will have to add them. Come on, add them all. Add करिए सबको. Add the given amount to find out the total of cost of water bottle, clip and ball. Find out the total cost. Come on. Find out the total cost. You have to find out the total cost. Do it. Start from the rightmost side. Yes, start from the rightmost side and move toward the left. Come on, solve it. Okay. Now, 5 plus 0 will give us 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And it will give carry 1 here. 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. And 1. We will write 1 here. And point के नीचे point. So our total amount is 19 rupees 15 paise. 19 rupees and 15 paise. Total amount is 19 rupees and 15 paise. So the cost of water bottle is 11 rupees 40 paise. Cost of clip is 50 paise and cost of ball is 7 rupees 25 paise. Then we have add them together and we will get our answer. Okay, completed. Okay, now let us move to about the next part. Next part is a cricket bat and a hockey stick only, है ना? So let us erase the board first. Okay. So we have to find the cost of a cricket bat and a hockey stick. Okay. So the cost of cricket bat. Cost of cricket bat, cost of hockey stick equals to. So what is the cost of cricket bat? Cost of the cricket bat is 75 rupees 50 paise. 75 rupees and 50 paise. And the cost of hockey stick is 18 rupees only. Okay? So the cost of hockey stick is 18 rupees. Now add them. Chalo, come on. Add them together. Start from that side. Add them together. And tell me the answer. So we will start from here. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Point. 8 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. So we will write 3 for 13. You carry 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. So our answer is 93 rupees and 50 paise. 93 rupees and 50 paise. 93 rupees and 50 paise is our total cost. Okay. So total is 93 rupees and 50 paise. Note it down. Come on, note it down. Okay. Now, let us do the next question. Now kids, question number 12 C part. Question number 12 C part, where you have to find the cost of a book, where you have to find the total cost of a book, a water bottle and a pen. That question you will do yourself. Okay? That question you all will do yourself. Now I am moving toward question number 13. I am moving toward question number 13. Okay? So in question number 13 you see which is costlier and by how much. So the price of two things is given there and you have to tell which of these is costlier and by how much. So whenever we have to find out by how much any given object is costlier or so what we will do there, we subtract there. So question number 12, because there we have to find the total. In question number 12 we have to find the total. That's why that question is of addition. Now in question number 13 we have to find out by how much a given object is costlier than the other one. There we have to subtract. What we have to do there? There we have to subtract. So question number 13. Which is costlier and by how much? A hockey stick or a cricket bat? We have to tell whether a hockey stick is costlier or a cricket bat. Okay, let us do. So what we will do first? We'll write the cost of both the object. Cost of hockey stick equals to and cost of cricket bat equals to. Okay. Question number, this is question number 13A part. Question number 13A part. Okay. Cost of hockey stick. cricket bat. Cost of hockey stick and cost of cricket bat. Okay, cost of hockey stick and cost of cricket bat. Cost of hockey stick, it will cost us 18 rupees. And cost of cricket bat 75 rupees and 50 paisa. है ना? So here I have written cost of both the object. Here I have written the cost of both the object. Now what we have to do? We have to compare. We have to compare that which among the following is costlier, this or this. Let us do. Let us compare. So cost of hockey stick is rupees 18.0 paisa and cost of cricket bat is rupees 75 and 50 paisa. Now which is costlier? 18 rupees is greater or 75 rupees is greater? Which of the following is greater? 18 rupees or 75 rupees? Ignoring the paisa part, I am not considering the paisa part. Just seeing the rupees part, tell me 18 rupees is greater or 75 rupees is greater? Tell me. So clearly 75 rupees is greater. So that means cricket bat is costlier. That means cricket bat is costlier. Now we have to find out by how much. To find out by how much, what we will do? We will subtract. So let us subtract cricket bat ₹18. Subtract then 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what we will do? This 5 will take a what? This will become 15 and this number will become 6. Now count after 8 to get 15. Count after 8 to get 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means 7. Now 6 minus 1 will get 5. 6 minus 1 we will get 5. So our answer is 57 rupees. Our answer is 57 rupees and 50 paisa. है ना? So cricket bat is costlier than hockey stick by 57 rupees and 50 paisa. Got it? By 57 rupees and 50 paisa. Okay? Let us move ahead. Read the next part. In the next part, we have to find a book or a hockey stick. We have to compare between a book and a hockey stick. Find out. Do it, then I will correct it for you. Come on. We have to compare the cost of a book and a hockey stick. So the cost of hockey stick will remain the same. We have to write the cost of book equals to, ठीक है? We have to write the cost of book. Cost of book equals to, cost of book will give us, book is of 19 rupees and 10 paisa. 19 rupees and 10 paisa. Cost of book is 19 rupees and 10 paisa. Let us compare. Now, which amount is greater, 18 rupees or 19 rupees? Which is greater? 18 rupees is greater or 19 rupees is greater? Tell me. Which amount is greater, 18 rupees or 19 rupees? Clearly 19 rupees is greater. Okay, see. ठीक है, 19 rupees is greater. Now we have to find out by how much. So we will subtract. Rupees column, पैसा column, 19. Okay, very simple subtraction. 0 minus 0 we will get 0. 1 minus 0 will get 1, 9 minus 8 we will get 1, and 1 minus 1 will get 0. So our answer is 1 rupees and 10 paise. So the cost of book is greater than by 1 rupees and 10 paise of hockey stick. Hockey stick से book की price ज़्यादा है, 1 rupees and 10 paise. Okay. So here we have done question number 13 also, है ना? Here we have done question number 13 also. No, not all the question. Question number 13 part C. Part B. Question number 13 part B. Cost of a doll and water bottle. This you will do yourself. Cost of water bottle and doll. This you will do yourself. Okay. Now moving toward question number 14. Now in question number 14 what we have to do? Make a separate bill for each of the following and find the total cost. For each of the following we have to make a separate bill, and what we have to do? We have to find the total amount. Okay. So let us make. Let us do. Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to make 3 cricket bat and 1 water bottle. To make a bill, first of all we will divide our copy. We will make a bill. एक bill का format we will make on our copy. चलो let us make. So the first of all we will make 3 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. Now here we will write item, rate, and then we have to make rupees and paise. So first we have to find in this question 3 cricket bat and 1 water bottle. We have to make a bill of 3 cricket bat. So how many cricket bat? Okay. 3 cricket bat. So 3 cricket bat. Now the cost of 1 cricket bat is 75 rupees 50 paisa. So cost of 1 cricket bat is 75 rupees 50 paisa. We have to find the cost of 3 cricket bat. We will find out here 75 rupees 50 paisa multiplied with 3. Let us find out. Chalo. In carry 1, 5 3s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 1 16, carry 1, 7 3s are 21, 22. So the cost for 3 cricket bat will be 226 rupees and 50 paisa. And then we have to find out the cost of one water bottle. And then we have to find out the cost of one water bottle. Let us find out the cost of one water bottle. So according to that chart, cost of one water bottle, cost of one water bottle is 11 rupees 40 paisa. 11 rupees 40 paisa. So we will add 11 rupees 40 paisa here. At last we will make a column of total. Let us add 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 4 9, 617, 213 and 2. So the total cost of the whole amount, that means total cost of a water bottle and 3 cricket bat will amount as rupees 237 rupees and 90 paisa. It will amount as 237 rupees and 90 paisa. Now the question number 14 part B. Question number 14 part B is your homework. This you will do yourself. Okay, so this work you will do yourself. Okay, so we have completed this exercise today. In our next class we will start with division of money. Okay, till then, bye.